Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Tarot with Donna. You go to space for tarot insight and spiritual guidance. I'm so excited to be with you today as we dive into the juicy love energy for the water signs Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. I've already shuffled the cards, so we are going to get straight to the good stuff. Whether you are in a relationship, single, or just curious about what love has in store for you, these messages will give you a clarity, guidance, that you need this December. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or feelings after your reading. Let's vibe together because we are about to get real, spicy, and a little bit magical. Alright, let's get started. Okay, Cancer, let's talk love. I know how deeply you feel everything when it comes to love. You are all in. But here's the thing, December is bringing you some major shifts in the love department, and I'm here for it. The card we have is the Chariot. Woo, Cancer. This is a huge card for movement, action, and forward progress. If things have felt a little slow or stuck in your love life, the Chariot is telling me that things are about to speed up in a major way, whether you are in a relationship or not. This energy is asking you to take control. No more waiting around. Be bold, be confident, and make the decisions you have been putting off. If you have been holding back, it's time to step into your power and own your love life. Singles, get ready for someone to come in fast. Someone who matches your emotional depth and is ready to move things forward. So, this is a month, Cancer, to take the step. Don't be afraid to make the first move or have that important conversation. You have got the power to shape your love life the way you want. Now go out there and claim your heart's desire, Cancer. The universe is backing you up. Okay? Good luck. Hello, my dreamy Pisces. Are you ready to hear about your magic coming your way in love this December? Because I can already feel the floodgates opening for you. The card that came out for you is the Lovers. Oh, Pisces, this is beautiful energy. The lover is all about deep connection and the soulmate energy. This could mean a reunion with someone who's meant to be in your life. Or if you're single, a new soulmate is coming in. Trust me, it's intense and real. You are about to experience this kind of love that's so aligned with your soul, it will feel like home. I can see some of you have recently got married. But here's the thing, Pisces, the lovers also bring an energy of choice. You may have to decide between two paths or two people. The key is to listen to your heart and trust your intuition. You already know what feels right for you. Don't second guess yourself. The connection that's coming into your life will challenge you to grow, to heal, and fully step into your most authentic self. Whether it's reigniting an old flame or discovering a new one, this month is all about love. True love, soul level, butterfly inducing love. I hope you're getting me, Pisces. So get ready to dive deep. Love is really calling your name. Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. I can feel the intensity of your energy right now. You're the type who loves with everything you have got, but I also know you have been through your fair share of emotional roller coaster. But don't worry. I've got something special for you. So we have the Tower card. Yes, a Scorpio. The Tower is intense, but trust me, it's not all bad. The Tower is here to shake things up, to bring clarity and to break down old walls that have been holding you back in love. This could be a relationship awakening or a shock that forces you to see the truth. Now, don't freak out. The Tower is not about destruction, it's about transformation. If you have been avoiding dealing with something in your love life, this card is saying to you, it's time to face the music. It could be truth coming out, an unexpected breakup, or a relationship reaching a breaking point. But all of this is for your growth. It's time to rebuild your love life with a solid foundation. Let go of those people who don't deserve love from your side. Here's the thing, Scorpio. You thrive in intensity, and sometimes you need that shock to steer you up and make you realize what you really need. Truths are being revealed this month, Scorpio, and it's time for change. Trust the process, Scorpios. The chaos will lead to a clarity, and soon you will be left with something stronger than before. Water signs. So, this was a juicy ride we had, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You have got some intense love energy coming your way this December, and I'm here for it. Whether it's moving forward in a current relationship, healing the past wounds, or welcoming new love, your love life is about to shift in a big, big way. I hope this readings gave you the clarity and the insight that you needed. If it resonated, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I would love to hear how the card spoke to you. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tarot with Donna for more updates and to stay connected with your favorite tarot reader. Until next time, remember, you are deserving of all the love and joy that the universe has to offer. Stay magical, my loves. Bye.